Hi, my name is Anna Moore, and I'm an attorney on the domestic litigation team here at Roth Davies. A poorly drafted prenup can get thrown out in court. Here's how to make sure yours is valid and enforceable. Tip 1. Start early. Don't spring it on your partner days before the wedding. Start the conversation months in advance. If someone is pressured to sign days before the wedding, that can be grounds for dismissal. Tip 2. Full financial disclosure. Each person must list all assets, debts, and income. If one party hides assets or debts, the agreement may not be valid. 3. Independent legal advice. In the state of Kansas, it's not required that each party have their own attorney, but having independent counsel review it to make sure it is in both spouses' best interests strengthens its enforceability, as it shows that both parties were fully informed before signing. Tip 4. No pressure. Both parties must sign voluntarily. Pressures, threats, or last-minute demands can void the agreement. Tip 5, it has to be in writing. Verbal agreements won't hold up. If it's not signed, dated, and notarized, it could be tossed out. A solid prenup protects both people. Follow these tips and work with a qualified family law attorney to do it right. Here at Roth Davies, we work with couples to create well-crafted prenuptial agreements that are tailored to each couple's unique circumstances. If you're thinking about a prenup, reach out to us to set up a consultation, and we are happy to walk you through it.